Hey guys, my name is Gracie and I'm the Parent Star Specialist here at the Children's Museum of Houston, and today we are making Flubber. What is Flubber, you may ask? It's not the 1997 Robin Williams film of the same name. It is a fluid when put under low pressure. It slowly, very slowly stretches. But if you put it under high pressure, it rips apart. So this is really fun to play with, and I am going to show you how to make it. Let's get started. Okay guys, so for this activity, you are going to need 4 ounces of school glue, half a teaspoon of borax, 1/4 cup of warm water. It does not have to be boiling hot, be careful guys, and a half cup of regular water, and optional, some wooden sticks to stir, although you can use your hands, and of course, a bowl to stir everything in. So first, I am gonna start by grabbing a 1/4 cup of warm water. Then I am going to put half a teaspoon of borax. I only had a 1/4 teaspoon, so I'm putting in 2. Grab one of my wooden sticks, stir it, make sure it's well incorporated. Then I move this to the side, bring my bowl back. I am gonna grab my 4 ounces of school glue and pour it into my bowl. You wanna make sure to get as much as you can, so I'm gonna use one of my wooden sticks to kind of scrape everything. I know it looks messy now, but I promise it's not as messy as it seems. Next, I'm gonna grab half a cup of water. I'm gonna pour it in, and then I'm gonna start stirring. So to make things fun, this is optional, but you can put in some drops of food coloring to give it a nice color. You don't need much. I'm just gonna put 3 little dots. It all depends just how dark of a color you want. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. So this is where the magic happens. I'm gonna grab my borax mixture, give it one last little stir, and I'm gonna pour it in a little bit at a time. So you can kind of see where it's already sticking together and becoming gloopy. So just keep adding a little at a time. And like I said, you can mix this with your hands as well. Alright, so you will know when it is done after you keep mixing it, and you can touch it and nothing comes off of it. You can break it apart. You can also kind of dangle it and it'll just keep stretching. And you have yourself a brand new Flubber. Thank you guys so much for joining us. This has been a lot of fun. If you guys make Flubber, make sure to share it and to follow our social medias. We have YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. My name is Gracie, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!